Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update the ACM12. So we have here an old ACM, you see here it's version 4.12. When you do the update on site, you're going to have the ACM connected most likely to a reader and to the Evo panel. You can leave everything connected except the bus line. So the bus line you can also leave the red wire connected, but you have to remove the black, green, and yellow because you cannot have the ACM talking to any other device while you're trying to upgrade it. So you have to remove those three wires and connect your upgrade device instead. So you should be using the official upgrade device, but here because I'm doing this at home on basically old equipment that is discarded, so I'm just using any one of those two. It will work fine. These are $2 instead of the $80-something for the official Paradox one. So you see here, this is my preferred one because it looks a bit more sturdy. You see here you have ground, A and B, and 5 volts. So the 5 volts you're not going to use, don't connect 5 volts. A is your green, B is your yellow, and the black is your ground. So this is the one I'm using. Same here, you see here, A is your green, B is your yellow, and you have 2 grounds. You can connect to any one of them, and 5 volts. So this converter, this is not the one I'm going to use. I'm going to use this one, and you see here it comes with this. I've already connected my wires, so connect it, ground. So now we're ready to plug in. So this is the official RS485 converter. It looks like this, and again you connect green to A, yellow to B, and the ground to black. Whichever device you decide to use, again I strongly recommend that you use the official device, but you need to get the right driver for it. If you bought a device like the one I showed you, you would have to get the driver from the manufacturer or the person who sold it to you. He would have a link to the right driver. Just be careful with those Chinese products because you might end up with something that has a virus in it. So now that I've connected my my USB, I select the right port. So here it's COM6. You see it says CH340. This is the chip that's on those devices. So that driver works for both the blue and the black, the one I showed you. So again, we're connected using serial. You click connect, and here you can see that the ACM that I have, it says 4.12, but it's actually 4.13. It was upgraded before. So I'm going to select one that matches my other ACM, simply because what I need to show you for the next, actually I'm going to choose 4.12. So I click here, and I select all files, and actually I'll just select 4.75. so 4.75, so it says file already exists, yes, and then start upgrade. So we click upgrade. It doesn't take too long for the upgrade to go through. Just make sure when you're doing this, you don't have any connection to the panel, like I said, or any other device. Like the bus lines should be disconnected, with the exception of the red. It doesn't matter. The red doesn't matter, but black, green, and yellow should be disconnected. And once the upgrade is complete, you can connect those three wires, the black, green, and yellow. You can connect them back so the panel can start talking again. As I mentioned in my previous videos, it is strongly recommended that all ACMs on your system be running the same firmware. Otherwise, you might run into issues. So now that the transfer is completed, we click OK. And you see now it shows 4.75. So we're done. We can click disconnect and move on to the next task.